For my next video, I'd like to do one on stopping your phone from spying on you. I've done a lot of research on this, and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, and it's been the culmination of at least a year of my research that I've been doing on these different things. There's three things we're going to go over. First of all, to preface, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the new One UI. This will, however, though, work on any Samsung phone, any Android phone for that matter, and or tablet, because they're actually spying on you, believe it or not, and I can prove it as we go through the three different settings. So this, in my opinion, is one of the most important videos I've done in a long time, and I wanted to share it with everybody. So what you can do is it's listening to all your conversation. It's monitoring the apps that you use and write and what you want to find on the internet. These features are enabled by default on every Android phone in today's market. So I'm going to show you how to disable three features on your phone because they quickly drain your battery, slow down your phone as they run in the background, and worst of all, they monitor you. So let's dive right in, as I say. So let's head to settings. Well, I can do it. There we go. I about got a shortcut finally. And scroll down to Google. Okay, and then tap on all services. So I'm going to go slow as we do this, so that way you can really follow right along with me. So then scroll down and scroll down to privacy and security, and tap security section, and then tap on personalized use sharing. So personalized using shared data. So you want to tap on this one. Okay, and I've fixed these, so mine are going to be off, but normally these monitor everything you do on your phone. It drains your battery fast and slows your phone down. So I recommend disabling all the applications on this list, and like I have it. So instead of being on like that, you just go through and turn every one of them off because they're monitoring you. Those maps, my keep notes, which I have all my passwords in, Gmail, external media, contacts, they were monitoring me. Okay, so turn those buggers off. So next feature, and go to the corner of the screen, go back, the upper corner here, and then in the section, in the privacy security section again, tap on usage and diagnostics. Tap on this, and again, I have that off. You can see the feature usage is diagnostics. This feature also collects information about how you use your phone, what applications you use, and sends it to Google. And just like previous features, like the previous feature, it slows down your phone and drains the battery very fast. Okay, so like I said, I recommend to turn that off like I have it. So it was on, we'll turn that off. Okay. And the last setting that we want to change, kind of a little tricky to it, but not much. So again, follow along. So we want to head to the main setting of Google and scroll down to the Google, tap on all services, which we have on, and scroll down to privacy security section, which all of these were in, by the way, and the feature, and tap on ads. Sorry. So the very top one. And in this feature, collects information about you to include what you write on your phone, what you search on the internet, and even listens to your conversations using a microphone to show your personalizing advertising list. So have you ever noticed that after talking about something, your phone, an advertisement for it suddenly appears? This is because this feature is enabled on your phone. So now we're going to change it. So how to do it is first scroll down a little bit and find Reset Advertising ID. So this one right here. and we're going to confirm it. So it's reset. Then we're going to go to delete advertising ID, and we're going to just delete your current advertising ID. Apps can still show you ads, but they will be not as relevant or interesting to you. Yeah, I don't want you to decide what apps I can have and what that I want to watch or listen to. So we're going to delete the advertising ID, which it's done. So now it will no longer track you. So the ID after this confirm delete, which we did, ID after you need to get a new advertising. So now we have to get a new advertising ID. So we'll confirm it, and device has a new advertising ID. I would suggest doing that once every, I don't know, month or two, just to reset it and delete what's in the cache file for advertising. So if you ever go to something advertising, it's going to remember that and pop back into it, and we don't want that. So that's the three. Your phone will now work faster, last longer on a single charge, and more importantly, it will no longer track you, which to me is crazy how this is even legal. But as always, it's probably legal because there's ways to turn it on and off, and they're going to say, well, you have it on, that's your fault. So now we're all in the know. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.